Hi, sixth grade. Today's lesson is 11.3 rates, and it starts on page 380. Taking a look at the top of the page, the first paragraph tells us a rate is a ratio that compares two quantities with different units of measure, and a unit rate is a rate that has one unit as its second term or denominator. If you take a look at the first orange arrow, it says Moya ran 18 miles at a steady pace of 3 hours. Her average speed can be expressed as a ratio. So we write that 18 miles over 3 hours. Then it asks us to find how many miles she ran in 1 hour. So we're going to fill in X for miles because that's what we want to know. And then we know that they're looking for how much in 1 hour. So similar to the way that we do equivalent fractions, we're going to figure out how to get from here to here. That happens to be divide by 3. So we divide by 3 up here, and X equals 6, which was 6 miles. Looking at the next orange arrow, 4 ballpoint pens cost $2.20. This rate of cost can be given as a ratio. So 4 pens is $2.20. And then they want us to find the cost of 1 pen. So we fill that in, pen across from pen, money will be across from money. We want to know how much, so that is X. We would divide by 4 here. So we'll divide by 4 here. You can go ahead and write that off to the side. $2.20 divided by 4. Remember, when you're dividing decimals, you bring the decimal point up. So we've got 0, we've got 5, which makes 20. Subtract and get 2, bring down the 0, 5 again. And so the answer is 55 cents. So 55 cents per pen. Okay, let's take a look over at your work on page 381. You're doing the odds, and that is 1 through 17 odds. So let's look at some even questions. Number 2, 20 cats to 4 bowls. And then they want to know how many cats to 1 bowl. So they divided by 4 here. We would divide by 4 here. And so we get 5 cats. Take a look at number 8, 24 inches in 2 hours. And they want us to get a unit price. Let me do a little erasing real quick. So 24 inches in 2 hours. And so for a unit price, they would want to know how much for 1 hour. When they ask for unit price, it's 1 of whatever this measurement was. So we divide by 2 here. That means we divide by 2 here, and we get 12, which is 12 inches. Let's do it again with number 10. 5 envelopes for $1.50. 5 envelopes for $1.50. And then we want to know, in this case, we want to know how many, we want to go to 1 envelope here. And so that'll tell us the price of 1 envelope. So we divide by 5 here, we divide by 5 here, and this would give us 30 cents per envelope. Okay, so you do the rest of the problems the same way through, it's 1 through 17. If you get stuck, please email me and I'll help you through. Remember, we've also got the workbook, page 144 to complete as well. Happy Friday, have a great day, stay healthy, see ya.